Hello everybody, welcome back to Space Pickle Designs. Today I am super excited to be here with you. I am about to design some young ladies jewelry and it's going to be mermaid and unicorn theme with a heavy stress on the pink and purple, but also some rainbows sprinkled throughout. So if you'd like to see what I make for these two special young ladies, just keep on watching. So the first idea that I have is I am going to make a few stretch bracelets, and I'm going to use these polymer clay disc beads, which are super fun. And I want to add these little mermaid charms, little shell charms, and these little unicorn charms throughout. And I want to make sure that I have some bigger beads mixed throughout, but I'm just going to get to work here and then I'll speed this up for you, but you'll see what I'm doing. So here are the two stacks so far. We got the purple and the light pink on the left with the unicorns. And we got the hot pink and the mermaid on the right. And I'm loving how these are going. I think I'm going to make a couple more stretch bracelets to add to their stacks off camera, and then I will come back. Okay, y'all, so 3 hours later and I'm back. I admit I got a little carried away, but I just love fun and funky jewelry. So let's just take a look at what we did. The first set here is the unicorn stretch bracelet stack. We've got some magical beads in here as well. Move this up a little bit. We have the unicorn heads all throughout this with the cool and fun polymer clay beads, and these are stretching, very strong. So they should be very durable. We also got some of that rainbow polymer clay in there. So that'll be a super fun stack to have. So this is the unicorn one, and then of course we have the mermaid one. So all of these are designed exactly the same, just different colors and different charms. So this stack should be fun as well. Nice hot pink in there. And look at all the fun charms. Those are gonna be so fun. Okay, and to go along with this, I made some shorter necklaces here. And these have the cool rhinestone beads and also some of the cool mermaid beads. We had some crackle beads for the purple. So these are still gonna match the bracelets. We got the purple and pink throughout. And I added, everything in here is pretty much gold. There is some silver throughout, so I just embraced the mixed metals portion of it and kept it the way that that was. So I'm gonna zoom you out for these last two necklaces, and these are my favorite. But we have a unicorn charm necklace outfitted with so many unicorn charms. Right there, we got the unicorn sequins, and we also have a mermaid sea-themed charm necklace here, and we've got some treasure in there with some shells and some mermaid tails, and we got a mermaid over there. We got some shell sequins, and we've got mermaid beads in the back. And these necklaces can be worn together because why not? So I purposely made one longer so that you can stack as many necklaces as you want, and I think they look good together as well. But they both have magnetic clasps on the back, and when these necklaces are hanging up, the charms do hang the correct way. They're a little askew right now while laying on the beadboard, but they do lay correctly when worn. So because they are younger ladies, we just have the magnetic clasp, so their hands don't have to worry about using clasps. So just make it more fun. And who doesn't love a good magnetic clasp? But let's zoom out and look at all the goodies here. Let's see. So we've got the magical unicorn purple set over here to the left with some rainbow and light pink. Love that one. And then we've got the magical mermaid pink set on the right with some accents of purple throughout and lots of sparkles. So I hope the young ladies who get this set of jewelry enjoys it, and I'm looking forward to making some more children's jewelry. So let me know which one was your favorite, and I hope everybody is staying safe and well out there. I'll see you next time.